I hit this issue today and here as the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to remove a device from your Curve 2026, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Access the settings menu. Navigate to the settings on your Curve 2026. This is typically found by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping the gear icon. Step 2. Go to Connected Devices. In the settings menu, look for the option labeled Connected Devices. This is where you can manage all devices linked to your Curve. Step 3. Select the device to remove. Once in the Connected Devices section, you will see a list of all devices currently connected. Tap on the device you want to remove. Step 4. Remove the device. After selecting the device, look for the Remove or Disconnect option. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure the device is removed. Step 5. Verify device removal. Return to the Connected Devices list to ensure the device no longer appears. This confirms that it has been successfully removed. Sometimes, the device may still show up briefly due to caching. If this happens, just refresh the list after a moment. I hope this guide helps you manage your devices easily. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.